What about a T-Bone Trinitron9 trying to get up in your radio? What about a T-Bone Trinitron9 trying to get up in your radio?
Trinitron9 T-Bone on Hollywood raising the hand. The night works pretty good.
Hey Hollywood, I can't even get in T-Bone's radio at this particular 36. Hey 799, I can't even get in T-Bone's radio at this particular 36. So if you get in his radio, you tell him I say good morning. Hello again, Hollywood 799, your Trinitron9, Coney Island playing in my water. Bye bye bye.
Hey Trinitron9, you get up there and start clicking there. Oh, you have to play in the damn water. Just put a cell phone over there and blow it all over and put the damn hammer down like you always do. Hey Trinitron9, take it easy.
Take it easy right back. Take it easy right back. Hey, 799, you the only one giving T-Bone a run for his money right about now. Hey, 799, you are the only one out here giving that 69 T-Bone a run for his money. It is what it is. Keep with the good work, 799, your friend in Coney Island, Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye.
Slave right 99 in the trailer park. I got down. Don't wave up high five.
Who else gonna get up in my radio, Trinitron9, testing my water? Who else gonna get in my Coney Island radio, Trinitron9, testing my water?
Hey, Sam Powell, look at him right now. Hey, 243, look no further, 127 New York.
It's rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. It's real rough and tough in my deep waters, no doubt about it. It's real rough out here in Coney Island this morning, no doubt about it. Trinitron9 and all this sunshine in Coney Island. Get down?
In a minute, you can drive through Daiquiri shops as I see you. Bye. Hey, T-Bone.
Somebody waving a hand. I don't know who was waving a hand to. T-Bone still up in my ear hole. Somebody waving a hand, but I don't know who you waving a hand to because T-Bone's still up in my ear hole. Good morning in the band. Good morning, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
That's a little traffic to it. I heard you waving a hand at me there, brother. No doubt about it. Good morning, 924. Ain't put that smoke on you in a while, my friend. Over everything else.
I think I'm going to head back to the boardwalk out here in Coney Island, eat another piece of bread, sit on the dock of the bay, just watch my shifts go by. Because it's rough and tough out here in the water right about now. I'll catch y'all on the next wave of the Coney Island. I'll get back in the water from time to time and catch y'all on the next wave of the Coney Island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Hey, number 8. Number 8, Big Willie want to know how he sound with a road on his back this morning. Hello, number 8, Rock Chicago. Ain't nobody but 709. Station in Florida, got down.
Same in that 709, something good around Coney Island. That 709 Florida sounding real good around Coney Island. Good morning on the band, good morning on the band. Number 9, Coney Island, get down?
I gotta wait on the traffic to clear up and pull out who I have to pull out. Ain't Billy Bob. I heard you, my brother. He said no get back on T-Bone. But
Hey 709, I don't know if you came with the number 9 in Coney Island. T-Bone got a big mole in my ear hole. Hey 709 Florida, I don't know if you came back to number 9 Coney Island because T-Bone got a big mole in my ear hole. Good morning on the band, good morning, number 9 Coney Island, get down?
I guess old Deacon ain't got no conditions this morning on his the transmitter. Deacon and Mo Deacon and these weeks Alright, you kid.
Well, I hear Deacon jumping up and down on my radio. I hear the Deacon jumping up and down on my radio. Hello, radio. It's a mess out here in Coney Island right about now. I'm trying to get somebody to clean it up. I got a mess in my Coney Island water right about now, and I'm trying to get somebody to clean it up. Good morning on the band. Good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Let me see if I can clean your radio well. Let me see if I can clean that radio well. 338 BYU, 338 BYU live on TikTok. Say, come on.
Hey, 338, you cleaned it out in Coney Island. Hey, 338, you cleaned up my Coney Island radio, and I appreciate it. Hey, 338 around the bayou, number 9 Coney Island, number 9 Coney Island. I appreciate it, 338. Keep up the good work. Have a good day. Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye. By 338, number 9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye. A 338 Bayou, number 9, base station, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye. I'm trying to clean out your radio, 338. Hey, 338, number 9, Coney Island, trying to clean out your radio. Have a good day. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye. Who else can get it back up in Coney Island? Who else can get it back up in Coney Island? It's a mess out here this morning. Who else can get it back in my Coney Island radio? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Hello, 924 around New York. 924 in New York and number 5 in the swamp.
Number 5 took over my Coney Island radio. That number 5 just took over my Coney Island radio. Number 5 just took over my Coney Island radio. Good morning on the band, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Bronx County snowman looking at Alabama. 924 New York waving. Hey, 924 New York, number 1, anybody?
Where you go, number 5, Trinitron9, trying to get up in your radio. Where you go, number 5, around the BYU, Trinitron9, trying to get up in your radio.
Good morning, Trinitron9. I'm with this boat when you and the man. Yeah, right back, man. Take it right back to the family, man. Wish you well. Just heard you sounded good, man. Down here at BYU, no doubt about it. 924. Take care. We're always in the cliff. I'm leg out in go.
Good morning, Rayback T-Bone. Good morning, Rayback T-Bone. Good morning, Rayback T-Bone. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. Good morning, Rayback 69 T-Bone. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Trinitron9, hope everything went well up on that end, my friend. Hope you had a good weekend. And hope you enjoyed this whole second day rolling around there, brother. No doubt about it. Nice to hear you roll through the BYU, my friend. It's a little rough and tough, so he's on the field there, brother. But just keep doing your thing.
Have a good day, T-Bone. Have a real good day. No doubt about it, man. It's rough and tough. It's rough and tough, but you're doing your thing around Coney Island. Take care, T-Bone, waving a hand to the whole band. Take it easy, 69 T-Bone, and waving it to the whole band. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, number 1, I don't know if you know Bulldozer, but he fired down real high. Hello, Bulldozer, I passed you by. Great game. Yeah, what was that fire? What was that fire? Colombo, man, I'm going to bump it down one more time. Hey, Colombo, I'm going to see you.
Who else can get it back in my Coney Island radio? Who else can get it back in my Coney Island radio? Y'all hitting real hard this morning. Who else can get it back in my Coney Island radio? Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Who else can get in my radio? Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. I want to know who else can get it back to Coney Island. Your Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters. Break, break, break.
Real good time.
It's rough out here. It's rough out here. You know I don't want to do no ghost talking. You know I don't want to do no cross talking. You know I don't want to do no ghost talking, and you know I don't want to do no cross talking. Trinitron9 in the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island trying to get a radio clean out. Trinitron9 in the middle of my deep waters of Coney Island trying to get a radio clean out.
Something like them out here get it, man, but them all that number 1 is right back. I've been there, Panty Snatcher, but my God, it's rough and tough in my receive this morning. I'm going to jump up here.
Trinitron9 need a radio clean out. Trinitron9 need a radio clean out. T-Bone and Bulldozer get my radio. T-Bone and Bulldozer got my radio. I need a Coney Island radio clean out. I need a Coney Island radio clean out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Hey, 924, you don't want to clean my radio up, man. You don't want to clean number ones for me.
I need a Coney Island radio clean out. Trinitron9 need a Coney Island radio clean out. Good morning on the band. I need a Coney Island radio clean out. Good morning on the band. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Man, Mother Nature's moving all around on this duck looking in. But I'll try to give you a Coney Island cleanup on that duck looking in, because you asked for one, and I heard you ask for it. I'll try to give you a Coney Island cleanup. Hey, Trinitron9.
Appreciate it, T-Bone. I appreciate it, T-Bone. I appreciate it, T-Bone. Keep up the good work. Hey, T-Bone, I appreciate it. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Hey, 69 T-Bone. Hey, 69 T-Bone. Trinitron9 said bye, 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 bye.
Hope you enjoyed the weekend. Ain't much left of it, but damn sure enjoy it, my friend. Hey, 711, don't let them leave for a fool. Tell them do what they do, but just watch your damn shoes. Yeah, right back.
Those conditions are what they are. Those conditions are what they are. No doubt about it. But it's all good. Everybody having fun. Everybody playing with their radio. And I'm out here in the sun. I'm having a good time also. Good morning on the band. Good morning on the band. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9. Slipping and sliding, rocking and rolling, shaking and baking, bumping and grinding, moving and grooving in these deep waters of Coney Island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I need another radio clean out. I need another radio clean out. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
When that duck looking in, hope you and the family enjoy, my friend. 711, T-Bone, baby.
T-Bone had my ear hole. T-Bone had my ear hole. Who else can get it up in Coney Island? The Bone had my ear hole. The Bone had my ear hole. Who else can get it up here in Coney Island before I get out of here? Good morning on the band one more time. Good morning on the band one more time. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Kansas, we're trying, baby. I'm talking to Trinitron8 in the Watergate. Hey, Trinitron8, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to Trinitron8 in the Watergate, breaker.
I'm back on the boardwalk. I'm back on the boardwalk up here in Coney Island. I had to get back on the boardwalk. There's so much activity in the water. I got back on the boardwalk. I'm going to watch the ships go by again. I'm going to watch the ships go by again and eat another piece of this bread. Trinitron9, Coney Island, back on the boardwalk. I'll catch you when I get back in the water. Bye, bye, bye.
Where you go, Trinitron8, Watergate, number one, get down.